In recent years, data analytics has become essential for industrial manufacturing. However, results prove very sensitive to the context of the data, and too often, the data analysis produces faulty outcomes. Machine learning alone is not enough. It must have guidance, real-world domain knowledge from comprehensive operational and mechanical experience. This gives general expectations of what the equipment and process are likely to do. Such domain knowledge can then frame the data sets to use the right data in the right way so that machine learning can hone in on a precise, accurate outcome. Data framing is not a trivial task. Not only does the challenge involve choosing the correct data to analyze, but notably, it needs acute understanding of the events and relationships that cause issues. When performed manually, eliminating irrelevant sensors, determining sampling frequencies, finding data regions for learning and testing, and indicating probable cause events are all time-consuming tasks. Even with extensive domain expertise, data framing can consume most of the project implementation time, particularly to examine myriad patterns and events associated with errant process behaviors. Aspen Maestro makes it easier and faster to build Aspen Mtell anomaly and failure agents. Maestro uses data analysis techniques to automatically provide the guidance and data framing for machine learning, minimizing the domain skills and experience and ensuring Mtell agents achieve the best results. A Maestro-based agent is a comprehensive analytical component that will sample all available data and events in order to select the appropriate sensor stream and extract the salient features and events to identify the optimal datasets and sampling frequency needed to solve a particular issue. We call this process synaptic discovery, a simplified automated process to discover the connected relationships between requisite data points and events pertinent to solving a specific problem, such as bearing failure in a compressor. For example, Maestro-based agents rapidly identified and converged on the dataset and events that suggested the root cause of the bearing failure was actually liquid carryover into a compressor. Then, from those guidelines, Mtell failure agents were able to detect the precise failure pattern and set up an exact warning of time to failure and advice for avoiding the carryover and impending damage. Using proprietary behavioral models, transformation models, and feature selection for machine learning, Maestro-based agents perform all possible data calculations behind the scenes, solving issues in minutes where data scientists often take days or weeks, sometimes months. These tasks include identifying multiple failure modes that share identical root causes, searching for different operating states that result in similar outcomes, identifying the salient patterns that correlate with events, distinguishing cascading failure modes where one event causes others, explaining failure modes with first principles, and determining failure modes that may take months to evolve. Combining AspenTech's world-leading process expertise with Aspen Mtell's Maestro-based agents creates a better understanding of industrial data without intense user involvement, solving problems not only faster but accurately. Maestro-based agents solve process event issues that can be surrounded by myriad, multivariate, and temporal changes in process sensor signals that are near impossible for humans to sort through. Aspen Maestro enables users to build Mtell agents faster and easier by automating the workflow, minimizing the time required to prepare data for agent building, and reducing the skills and experience needed, improving time to value for end customers. Maestro-based agents provide input to assist in determining operational guidance, to forewarn of impending issues and to provide prescriptive guidance, to change operational or mechanical conditions, to avoid or mitigate equipment failure. For more information about Maestro, Aspen Mtell, and other asset performance software, contact AspenTech today.